Hi, we're back at IGA in the area here trying to show you some space ice cream machines. We have these air pump systems. Let me show you the hopper in that first. Let me go from there and then we'll work our way around. What we have here is the ice cream hopper, okay? We've already went ahead and down in here you're going to see these little cylinder holes and then these pipes go into them. We went ahead and poured the ice cream in, primed the lower cylinders by letting it bubble in. Then we come along and we put the hose, these little metal lines on, screw them onto the pump. Now, these pumps will come in here and pump air into the ice cream, which gives you more volume, gives you a bigger amount of ice, a larger amount of ice cream supply, which gives you more money. You can, if for some reason, say you're running it and one went out, or you just decided you want to try it or do whatever, you do. It does come with these things here. These are gravity feed tubes that you can stick in these holes instead of putting the air pump in it, and it will gravity feed the ice cream down into the cooling cylinders. But again, with that, you're not getting any air mixed in, so you're not getting the volume that you want to make more money off of one mix. What else do I want to show you? Inside these, you know, there's gears and stuff. They come with paperwork. It'll show you everything, the manuals, and that'll show you everything about that. But as well as these papers will give you that, that show you how to adjust the ice cream flow out of your air pump, which is this little lever right here on the sides. I don't know if I can see it on this side, but there's a little lever on that side. It's a white lever. You switch it around from the, I guess if you're looking at the ice cream machine, from the left it's a lower, slower. From the right it would be a faster speed. With this, it shows you that too much pressure is too much. If you do it like this, that's correct pressure. I mean, again, these are going to be in with your order. Now let's come down here and come around. Let me show you that with those hoppers. Once you get your ice cream in it, you got it all primed and you're getting ready to go. Let's make sure that you got these hoppers set at the right temperature. So on this is in Celsius. So we're going to turn around and put it on, like, I don't know, about 5 Celsius, which is about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're going to set that. So these you don't want it to freeze in your hopper. You just want it to get chilled and keep cold, keep the product from going bad.
You can turn it on.
And you can turn it on and off. Now, over here, like at, say, end of the night, we're talking about having everything set up. We don't want these to go bad. We hit this button here that puts the play symbol on this little box right here.
See the compressor.
And see the little compressor comes on. The small compressor comes on to keep the hoppers cool, set to whatever temperature you have it at. Now, if you don't want that to run, you can hit that button again that I just showed you. It puts the stop symbol up there. Well, that you know, turns it off. But we want that on. Say at the end of the night, say you're getting ready to leave, you want the hoppers turned on to chill it. You want the pre-cooler set on to make sure everything stays cold. And then you can go home. When you come back, it'll keep cycling and doing its thing. What you're hearing now is a little air because I let a short cycle go. But then we go from there. It'll keep recycling itself to keep itself cold. Now you want to start it to get your ice cream product going. You can, you know, stop the pre-cooler, stop the other item, and then you turn it all off. You come over right here and you'll hit the ice cream button. I like to keep that on myself, so there we go. Now, what it's going to do is, see how it counted down a short period there, then it started the compressors up.
17.
Now it was from 17, now it's going to count this to 70.
This is 70.
When this gets to 70, it's going to turn off the compressor, the ice cream compressor, because it's at the temperature that you want inside the cylinders. At that point, it's going to start counting down. I think it was 19. And when it gets down, starts counting down from 19, that's when it's going to turn off the air pump motor and turn off the pumps. Then it'll start a countdown. I think it's either like 3,000 or 2,950 or something like that. You'll see it here in a minute. It'll start counting that down. What that does is start the whole cycle process over again. The only way that it changes is if you interrupt it by grabbing some ice cream. When you go to grab that ice cream, it starts the process again, counting down from 3,000 or whatever.
Okay.
Let me give you an example of what this ice cream looks like here when it kicks off. That's 70. All right, now it's going to count down to 19. We'll go ahead and let it go through this little 19
You're
second
gonna throw
thing
this
too.
one here free.
Yep.
This one free.
Yep. There, see now it's getting ready to kick off. The big compressor turned off already. Now it's getting ready to kick off the air pumps. Boom, air pump motor went off. Now you can hear the pre-cooler still running. But we're going to count down from 295, 300, down.
And then it start again.
And then it's going to start again. Now here is what your ice cream looks like coming out of there. See how it interrupts the start process? It goes back down. And then it starts going back through the process to make sure it gets back up to 70 again.
Yep.
So that's what it's going to do. And the ice cream's coming out still. Each time you do that, it just changes the count. But if you get it right away, it's going to stay the same. It's really good ice cream.
And the handle is automatic.
We were going to throw these ice cream cone dispensers in for free. You can mount them on the side or wherever you want. These have auto return on them. As you go to use them, no kid can sit there and accidentally, or adult or whatever, you're not going to have the wasted ice cream from somebody leaving the lever down. We have 3 different flavors. You can have chocolate, vanilla, and a chocolate vanilla twist. I mean, there's a like I said, this is a air blown into that ice cream, which makes it like a custardy smoothness. I mean, look at how smooth that ice cream is. And the flavoring, mamma mia. But this is the space air pump ice cream machine, soft serve. Get yours today
On eBay.
on eBay at Erie IGA.
Show the home to come.
We're gonna go right back here. Boom, boom. Another thing I wanted to show you was, since I'm still sitting here watching and showing you this. This here's your count, like I said, but up here, this is how many cones you've dispensed. This will tell you your cone count each day, or whatever. You can reset that. This is your hardness adjustments, and this is your heat adjustment. And that's done by holding these keys down for a period of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, now it's blinking. I can adjust that up and down if I want. I prefer it on 3, nice creamy ice cream. And then the same thing with this one. Once you that one stops, then you can do the same thing. Hold this one down and prime the other one. And again, like I said, don't forget that here are your buttons for your pre-cooler, on and off. And this is your standby mode. That's to make your ice cream. That's to wash it. These are your adjusters. That's to lock your keys out so the kids and people can't play with them. And that's just to stop the whole system. Turn it off. Now I got this pre-cooler set, so turn that off. That way there, everything's off. So my ice cream might go bad. So that's why I always want to make sure that pre-cooler stays on. And that should do it. Again, this is the Space Air Pump Ice Cream Machine. Available now with Erie IGA on eBay. Get yours today. Thank you for watching.